Hello everyone and welcome to our project demonstration. My name is Inderdeep Singh and I'm the student of BTech Computer Science in Delhi Technical Campus and the team lead of the project Aquabin. Aquabin is a remote accessible and AI expert system for trash collecting boat to detect, maneuver and to collect floating trash from the water bodies automatically or manually. We developed this project to support NGOs and to save our environment from the problem of floating trash, which is the one of the main reason behind the water pollution. According to the Ocean Index report, the 260 species in the world die because of water pollution, and in India, the 30% of 80% of 1.5 metric ton of open waste are left in the water bodies, according to India Today report. So in our country, the water pollution and the floating trash is one of the main problem, due to which the marine life is affecting, the life of animals, life of humans are affecting, and also it have a direct impact on our economy because fishery and the tourism sectors affects by this. So now it is our duty to clean our water bodies. It is very difficult to clean the floating trash manually from small urban drains, streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans, and have life hazards and lack of proper technology. To overcome this problem, we come with the project Aquabin, which is an IoT and expert system compatible with any trash collecting boat, which can be configured with the minor changes and need almost no human intervention on the site. It is a research oriented project. In our research, we found that most of the focus in this field is on design of the physical body of the boat, and boat operators always required on site. We found robotic boats, but they are expensive as they use GPS sensors, floating checkpoints, a complete analysis of the water bodies, and lacks in motion planning and crash detection, which reduce their accuracy and speed. To overcome the problem of motion planning and to make our system at low cost and with better accuracy, we developed the expert system, which does this task automatically with computer vision and self motion planning. And to create awareness among people about cleaning of water bodies, any person can contribute by accessing the boat remotely over the internet by using our mobile application and website, which provides live stream and game like controls. Now I will take you to the working prototype of the project. Due to lockdown, we are not able to build the proper body of the board, so we tested our model on the wheels. We developed the dummy car with the help of wooden body, webcam, Arduino board, DC gear motor and other hardware to test our IoT control system and Android application are both connected via cloud API. For AI code, we developed an simulator to test the working. Let me show you the manual mode first. As you can see, we developed the Android application which has two modes. One is manual and another is AI. When you select the manual mode, your app will get connected to the cloud API and then you have to switch on the boot system. The both app and IoT controller on boot are connected to cloud API for controls, user authentication, authorization and validation. After that, you will get a live stream from the boat camera to your app dashboard so that you can control your boat in real time to detect and collect the trash. Once the bucket gets full or battery status low, you will get a notification to charge the boat or to empty the trash bucket. If you are at a remote location and internet connection is not available, you can connect boat over Wi-Fi module also, but due to low bandwidth, you will not get a live stream from the boat. So this is the manual mode of the project. Now let's come to the AI expert system, which is our main topic of research. In artificial intelligence, an expert system is a computer system that emulates the decision-making ability of a human expert. In our problem, expert systems are designed to solve the problem of detecting, manuring, and collecting trash. The whole working of the system is divided into 5 different parts. The first is the deep learning perception model, using RCNN for multiple trash detection and to get the localization points. We tested the different machine learning and deep learning models like SVM, RCNN, FastRCNN, and YOLO to a dataset of 4K images of trash collected from Google, and we're getting a good results with a 10-layer RCNN model with the accuracy of 95 to 96% in real time. Also, the perception model will classify the perceptive area into free space, target space, and object space. Second, we convert the detected coordinates or points to orthogonal 2D projections on Euclidean space. That will help to generalize the mathematical calculations and to easily convert them into real coordinates and to give a real-time board commands. As we are using the tilted camera, we did a V-shaped scaling for exact points also. The third, clustering to get two hotspots points from where the boat will move to get the maximum crash into the bucket. For that, we implemented k-means clustering. Fourth, according to the perception, projections, and clustering, we will form the visibility graph, which help us to keep the water body monitoring records or provide memorization in terms of dynamic programming, which we can use as a replacement of the GPS. Fifth, we implemented a visibility graph using the bidirectional space filling tree, and the gradient backtracking traversing approach will provide us the three different modes to run the boat according to different needs. That three modes include cell complete mode, single greedy mode with past history. Before showing you the working of these three modes in a simulator, let me explain you a cell and zone concept quickly. Now, what is zone? Zone is the area captured by the camera depending upon its wide angle view, which is 60 degree in our case, and visibility up to 1.05 meter is called zone. Now, what is cell? Cell is the complete area getted after capturing the 360-degree view of the boat, which includes 6 zones, and it covers the area of 3.2 square meter in the shape of a hexagon. So we keep our trash count, coordinates of trash zone-wise in our visibility graph, and also we classify zones into target, obstacle, and free space for motion planning. Now let me show you cell complete mode working. As you can see in simulator, the board is analyzing the 360-degree view, and after perception, projection, and clustering, it is showing the detected trash clustering centers in the cell. As this board is working under cell complete mode, the body will collect the complete trash from the current cell by using a greedy approach, and then will go to the optimal zone and make it as a root node to make a new cell, and process will repeat. So that board will analyze and collect all generating cells. This mode will give better results in wide area static water bodies like lakes and oceans, as we can cover the whole water surface cell by cell and no stream will disturb, and complete monitoring can also be done. The second is single greedy mode. In this mode, you can see after forming the cell, only the one optimal zone will be selected out of one cell as local maxima, and after collecting that the zone, a new cell will be generated. So single greedy mode will help in streaming water like rivers, drains, as boats will collect trash with downstream and less upstream movement will be needed, and it can be used for finding the paths in between trash. The third is single greedy mode with past history. In this mode, only the one optimal zone out of the current and pre-monitored cell will be selected to collect trash. As you can see, the one cell is formed, and now its target optimal zone will be selected, and then it form a new cell. And again, the target optimal zone out of each analyzed cell will be selected. The only use of this mode is to target the maximum trash zones. The visibility graph bidirectional traversing will help to get the cell and their zone coordinates. Boat will come back after the low battery level and bucket full notification and can resume their process from their last movement. After all movements, it will give you monitoring records in CSV file that we can use for further analysis, as you can see the clustering graph movements graphs on the screen. This complete system will also going to get deployed on cloud, or we can also deploy this on hardware controller also. We developed this project on following technology stack, as you can see on your screen, and as I said, the research work is still going and we are figuring out more aspects of the project and will publish our complete work in the paper. Also, because of COVID-19 pandemic situation, our actual on-site working of the project and testing is incomplete, which is very important to figure out the defects and bugs in our project. If I talk about the future scope of this project, we can easily use this system on drones, cars, or any other vehicle to make it automatic, and currently we are working to change this into a sanitization robot. So that's the complete demo of our project Aquabin. If you have doubts, questions, or need more technical information of the project, please contact us. And last, I want to give special thanks to our guide Ravinder Chauhan and Ankit Gambhir sir for their incredible support, and also to my team to make this project a reality. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching out our video.